Welcome to video lesson students. Today is the second session of a simple equations chapter in 7th English medium. This is Sharada from ZPHS Srirangavaram. The objectives are, at the end of this session, the student able to solve daily life situations which are related to simple equations. The student able to convert statements into equations and equations into statements. Solve simple equations independently. See, in our daily life, we use some of the words which can be converted into expressions, all algebraic expressions like sum of. These are all addition expressions. When we use sum of, it means that it is addition, that is a plus symbol. More than also represent plus symbol. Added to, increased by, exceeds by, all these expressions represent the symbol addition. So converting a word into a numerical form, sum of 2 and 3 we can write like 2 plus 3, and x is more than 3. This is also, when we convert in write into a numeric form, we can write like x plus 3. 5 is added to y. This can be written as y plus 5. P is increased by 4. This can be written as p plus 4. And subtraction expressions. Subtraction, the words for the subtraction expressions, the words which are used are subtracted from, less than, difference, decreased by. So all these words are used while writing statements. So the statement which we convert into a numerical form, that is the difference of 2 and 3 can be written as 2 minus 3. X is less than 3 can be written as 3 minus x. 5 is subtracted from y. So this can be written as y minus 5. P is decreased by 4. So the value P is decreased by which amount? By 4 units. So this can be written as P minus 4. Multiplication expressions like multiplied by, product, times, twice, thrice, double, triple, like product of 2 and 3 can be written as 2 into 3. X is multiplied by 3. This can be written as 3 into x. 5 times of y. This can be written as 5y. Twice of 4. This can be written as 2 into 4. The division expressions are divided by, the words which we use, part, distributed among. So converting a word into a numerical form, like 2 is divided by 3. How we'll write? Think, third part of x. This one, how we'll represent? This also you think? Y is distributed among 2 members. Like 2 is divided by 3. This can be written as 2 by 3. Third part of x means x by 3. Y is distributed among 2 members. E can be written as y by 2. Now I'll give some statements and I'll give some algebraic expressions also, and you have to match them. This is an activity. The sum of y and 5 is multiplied by 8. The product of P, Q is less than R. Product. See here. Less than. 3 is subtracted from. See here. 4 times. The words which they are using. Observe carefully. And how we'll convert these into algebraic expressions. See, I'll give the expressions now. You have to match them. This is 4x minus 3. 8 into y plus 5. Third one is R minus PQ. So which order is correct? You have to tell me and I'll give 5 seconds time. Your time starts now. Over. Did you get the answer? Which order is correct? Now I'll tell the answer. The answer is 2, 3 and 1. So the first one matches with 2, the second one matches with 3 and third one matches with 1. Now look here. When you see at the screen, the Ramu is running to reach his native place. From A village, Ramu went to his native village C by walk. But in between, he has to cross a village B. The distance between A and B is 20 kilometers. And the distance between A and C is 54 kilometers. What will be the distance between villages B and C? So this is the question. Now, these three are the villages A, B and C. It is given that the distance between the village A and B, how much it is? It is 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers, right? Next, the distance between A and C. So this distance, how much it is? It is 54. And the distance between B and C we don't know. Let us assume as X, like this. Let us assume as some X kilometer. Now we'll find out. We know what is the distance between A and C, right? Now we'll take this as X. So X plus 20 is nothing but 54. That is, the distance between A and B is 20 and B and C is X. When we add these two distances, we'll get the total distance. That is equal to X plus 20 is equal to 54. Now we'll transpose the term to the right hand side. That is, we'll take 20 to the other side to become negative. 54 minus 20, it is 34. So the distance between the village B and C is 34 kilometers. Now here, look at this problem. The teacher tells the class that highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice, look here, twice the lowest mark and plus 7. The highest mark is given, how much it is? 87. What is the lowest mark? So the question, when you read at the question, the last word you see. What is the last word? It is lowest mark. So now in this problem, you have to take, this is a teacher, and you have to take this lowest mark as X. And it is given that the highest mark is 87. Here. And see here, the highest mark is equal to twice the lowest mark. That is, lowest mark is X, this X, twice of X, that is 2X, and plus 7. Therefore, plus and 7, plus 7, right? So this will be equal to 87. Now, which term will transpose to right side now? Plus 7. When we take it to the other side, it will become minus. So 87 minus 7, it is 80 now. Now we will bring this 2 to other side. When you bring this 2 to other side, it will come and sit in the denominator like this, 2 ones and 2 40s. So the lowest mark is nothing but 40 marks. See, find the length and breadth of the playground if the perimeter is given. See, this is the playground. In this playground, it is given that the length is given. How much it is? 2x plus 4. And the breadth is x minus 4. And what is given in this problem? What is given? The perimeter is given. All of you know, when you look at this playground, what is the shape of this playground? How it look like? It look like a rectangle. So naturally, the perimeter of a rectangle will be 2 into L plus B. Right? Now, perimeter is already given. How much the perimeter is? It is 72. So in place of perimeter, we will write 72 here. And right side RHS, what is there? L plus B. We know what is L and we know what is B also. Now we'll substitute L and B like this. So in place of L, we will write L value, that is 2x plus 4. In place of B, we will write x minus 4 because the breadth is x minus 4. So when you add 2x plus x, these two, when you add these two, we will get 3x. And this plus 4 and minus 4, these two will get cancelled like this. Right? So what remains here? 2x plus x, it is 3x now. Now when you multiply here, 2 3s are 6. And when you take 6 to the other side, it will go and sit in the denominator. Like 6 1s, 6 12s. So we got the x value now. And now we have to find out the length and breadth now. Yes. See here. The length we know already, it is 2x plus 4. We know what is the x value. In place of x value, we will substitute 12 because the x is 12 here. Look here. In place of x, I have removed x and I kept 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 4, it is 28. So the length of the playground is 28 meters. And now we'll see, we'll calculate the breadth also. It is given already. How much is the breadth? It is x minus 4. Like this. So in place of x, you can write 12. 12 minus 4, it is 8 meters. So like this, we can solve problems in our daily life situations. So this is all about today's class. Thank you, students. Keep watching